All right, y'all. Let's try to get these songs for the people. Thank you for putting them names in there for me. All right. Let's go. The lion pride, let's go to let's go. The lion's pride, yes, I go to let's go. I'm still in over here, that buzzing will flow. So everybody sending let's go. Lion pride, let's walk and let's talk though. But still the movie here the end, I said I want more. I want some more, so I come to your show. Show over here so I can get more. I see you over there just grinding it out. Walking over there and talking it out. People telling me just be going to shout. People's over here better watch their mouth. So now then I seeing other people come in. Still over here's about to come once again. Robert again, Sandy Jesse came in. Talking about the loves and I thank you my friend. Yes, I'm over here talking about these people. Yes, I'm over here to saying I guess I love my people. People loving me, but I'm still the saying your name. And yes, I put it in the and I put it in the game. So now I got the Rob again to doing what he do. He showing love to everybody cause that's what he do. He coming over here to now I wanna say your name. I'm saying your name, I put it in the game. So love nigga, send a what is up, Jay? Hit that like a button and you doing your way. But still I'm over here to send a name my way. Some people's over here to send it, yes I wanna say. So K Renee Garden say what's up. But still I'm over here to just cutting it up. We cutting it up and we also cut it down. Everybody let me tell you, let me pick it up now. Say hey, let me say yes I'm saying your names. People let me talking about your name is in the game. Put it over here showing love from me. People telling me send the J is crazy. C-R-A-Z-Y. People cannot try. Still I'm over here, don't wanna tell a lie. But still I'm over here, wanna tell you hi. Coming over here, got my hands to the sky. Oh yes, I'm over here, just looking straight up. People let me tell you, just be getting up. I'm telling you, I wanna see you. People's over here, just keeping it true. Say, hey, calling me the J one time. But still I'm over here, but you feeling so fine. Now I'm over here, and you say you find us wine. People's over here, now you want your wine and dine. Dine over here, and you dine for your people. People talking about it, saying that yes, I love the people. People loving me, so I put it on a song. Songs over here, they saying that yes, I'm getting songs. Saying, hey, I said that yes, I'm doing it. Still I'm over here, and you know I'm owning it. But now I'm owning it just to talk about y'all. Let me talk about y'all to y'all right, y'all.